Here are some amazing facts about the nightjar. Nightjars are nocturnal birds, meaning they are most active during the night. They are known for their excellent camouflage, blending into their surroundings almost perfectly. Nightjars belong to the family Caprimulgidae, which also includes nighthawks. They have large, gaping mouths that help them catch flying insects while in flight. Their diet mainly consists of moths, beetles, and other night-flying insects. Nightjars are also known as goatsuckers due to an old myth that they suckle goat's milk. They are found on every continent except Antarctica. Nightjars have an impressive wingspan for their body size, helping them fly silently. They make very little noise when flying, allowing them to sneak up on insects. The common nightjar has one of the longest migrations of any bird, traveling over 10,000 kilometers. Their calls are often trills, whistles, and croaks, which are heard at dusk and dawn. Nightjars are masters of aerial acrobatics, catching prey in midair with ease. They can survive in a variety of habitats, from deserts to forests and grasslands. Nightjars have excellent low-light vision, perfect for spotting prey at night. Their wide mouth is framed with stiff bristles, which may help in capturing insects. Nightjars' eyes are large to help them see better in the dark. Some species, like the European nightjar, can live up to 12 years in the wild. They are solitary during the non-breeding season but may form small groups during migration. Nightjars lay their eggs directly on the ground, often among leaves or other debris. Their eggs are highly camouflaged, speckled to blend with the ground. The incubation period for nightjar eggs is about 18 to 21 days. Both male and female nightjars participate in incubating the eggs. They are capable of going into torpor, a state of reduced metabolic activity, to conserve energy. In some cultures, nightjars are seen as harbingers of death or bad luck. The lesser nighthawk, a close relative, can be found in the southwestern United States and Mexico. Their cryptic plumage makes them almost invisible during the day while they rest on the ground. They have short legs and weak feet, so they rarely walk or hop on the ground. Nightjars communicate through a variety of calls, especially during the breeding season. Some nightjars have striking patterns on their wings and tails that they flash during display flights. They are part of the order Caprimulgiformes, which also includes oilbirds and potuos. Nightjars are sometimes referred to as nighthawks, though this term usually applies to a specific genus. The tawny frogmouth is often confused with the nightjar due to similar habits and appearance. Many species are migratory, traveling long distances between breeding and wintering grounds. Nightjars roost during the day, typically on the ground or low branches. Some species, like the common poorwill, can enter hibernation during cold months. The nightjar's feathers are soft, which helps in reducing sound during flight. Their camouflaged plumage consists of browns, grays, and blacks, helping them avoid predators. The nightjar's call is often described as a ching sound. Nightjars are crepuscular, meaning they are most active at dawn and dusk. In the United Kingdom, nightjars are often found on heathland, moorland, and open woodlands. They have a unique flight pattern, consisting of swift, erratic movements as they hunt. Nightjar chicks can run almost immediately after hatching, helping them avoid predators. Their scientific name, Caprimulgus, means goat milker in Latin. Nightjars are sometimes known as fern owls due to their owl-like nocturnal habits. Some species perform dramatic courtship displays, including fluttering flights and aerial dives. Their eyes shine red when caught in the light, such as from car headlights. They often rest along roadsides, making them vulnerable to being hit by cars. Nightjars are primarily insectivorous but will occasionally eat small vertebrates. They have a unique way of digesting their prey, often swallowing insects whole. Their migratory routes can span continents, from Europe to Africa or North America to South America.